Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this square with the picots. For this you will need a cotton yarn, a crochet hook, darning needle and some scissors. Let's get started. Start by chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slip stitch in the first beginning chain to join. I'm going to work in the ring and I'm going to work over the tail. Chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. 2 double crochet in the ring, 1, 2. Now I'm going to work the triple picot. Chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. And the first chain I'm going to slip stitch. This is my first picot. Let's work the second one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chain 4 for the second one. And the same in the same stitch, the same chain as the previous picot, I'm going to slip stitch to form the second picot. Chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. And the same chain as the first and the second picot, I'm going to slip stitch. Remember that I used a chain 3 for the first and the last picot and 4 for the middle one. Good. Let's continue working the double crochet in the ring. Work 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's work the triple picot. Chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. And the first chain slip stitch to form the first picot. The next one I'm going to use for the next one 4 chain. Slip stitch in the first chain of the first picot. Chain 3. Slip stitch in the first chain of the first picot. Five double crochet in the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Work the triple picot as the last one. chain 3, slip stitch, chain 4, slip stitch in the first chain of the first picot, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, slip stitch in the first chain of the first picot. Good. Now in the ring I'm going to work 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Chain 3, slip stitch in the first one, chain 4, and slip stitch in the first one, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, slip stitch in the first one. Good. This is the last picot. Now I'm going to work 2 double crochet, 1 and 2, slip stitch in the third chain of the beginning, make a long loop, cut the yarn, cut the first tail, use a tiny needle to hide the tail, the last one. From the wrong side, I'm going to hide my yarn. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial for today. Thank you very much for joining me and see you next time. Bye.